amazing, and I'm here today to introduce the best thing to happen to cars since the invention of the engine. Car Keypad Entry. Car keypad entries have been popular since the 1990s. They involve a program code that allows you to easily unlock the vehicle. The code buttons are easily and conveniently labeled 0 through 9. They can even stand the test of time. Has this ever happened to you? This keyless entry technology allows access to your vehicle without the use of a key or a costly locksmith. Features you can't miss. You can even leave your car engine running with your door safely locked. It's water resistant, it's weather resistant, and it can even withstand the impact of a hammer.
No!
This technology is so innovative that it has given society more convenience than ever before, and has revolutionized the way we open car doors today. We have Sally here today, an industry expert, here to explain the future of this amazing technology we're offering.
Thank you, Betty. While the future of keypad entry is uncertain, it has been advancing at a rapid rate. I have here a wireless key fob to open doors from a distance.
As part of our amazing offer, if our viewers call within the next 10 minutes, they can get this amazing key fob for free. Isn't that true?
Why, yes it is, Betty.
Where do you think the technology of this is going in the next coming years?
Based on the current technological breakthroughs, I can predict that biometrics will soon be involved.
Access granted.
So, Sally, how much do you think something like this would cost?
I would pay anywhere from $400 to $500.
Well, you'd be wrong. We are offering this amazing technology, plus the remote key fob, if you call within the next 10 minutes, for the low monthly payment of $295 a month for 72 months. But I'm not only going to give you that, I'm also going to give you the rest of the vehicle for free! That's right. You not only get the wireless keypad, not only the remote key fob, but the whole car as well!
Wow, that's amazing!
That's right! Call now!
Not responsible for theft of vehicle due to poor construction, buttons with 2 numbers on 1 button, death upon entry, electrocution upon entry, restlessness, sleep loss, being forced to use key upon breakage, or dead battery.